Test, test.
Okay, dengar.
Okay. Today I and Zahir will present on how to solve the question number one in assignment math. And first one A. We will go to question number 1A. 10 students were asked to rate their confidence level when answering mathematics questions. The confidence level is rated from 0 to 10. From the data above, given median equal to 4.8. And first question, construct a box and whisker diagram. And second, identify any potential outlier.
Okay, so Faiz, how can we solve the first question? Can you show me how to construct a box and whisker diagram?
Okay, Zahir. Firstly, we must rearrange all the data given in increasing order like this. And then we must determine the minimum value and maximum value. The minimum value is 2.4 and the maximum value is 9.4. And then we continue to find the quartile for the data. For the first quartile, we use equation R equal to 1 over 4 times 10, and we will get 2.5. And then we can round off it to 3, and the third value for the data is 3.5, and we can consider it as the quartile 1. Quartile 2, as mentioned in the question, the median is 4.8, so we can use the 4.8 as the quartile 2. And then for the quartile 3, we use the equation R equal to 3 over 4 times 10, and we will get 7.5, and we can round off the value to 8, and the eighth placed in the data given is 5.3, which is the quartile 3. And then we must find the lower fence and upper fence. The lower fence, we can use the equation q1 minus 1.5 times q3 minus q1, and we just substitute all the quartile value that we has calculated just now in that equation, and we will get 0.8 for the lower fence. And then for the upper fence, we use equation q3 plus 1.5 times q3 minus q1, and substitute all the quartile just now, and we will get 8 as the upper fence. And lastly, we can construct the a box and whisker diagram, like this. First, we must draw the straight horizontal line as the x-axis, and we must put all the scalar from 0.0 to 10.0. And then we must draw two vertical vertical line, two vertical dotted line as the lower inner fence and upper inner fence. And then we must draw three vertical line as the quartile 1, 2, and 3. As quartile 1 is 3.4, and quartile 2 is 4.8, and quartile 3 is 5.3. Okay, and then we just continue the line, and we will get the box shape for this diagram. And then we just draw two horizontal line. Firstly, we just draw this small line to as the as the lower inner fence, and upper and the for the we just
What's
draw
the
two horizontal line as the minimum value and maximum value. But
yeah.
as the minimum as the maximum value is 9.4, which is greater than the upper inner fence, so we can consider 6 as the upper inner fence since it is the lower value after 9.4. And then we just done our box and
This
whisker
diagram.
diagram,
Yeah.
and then we can determine the outlier for the data, which is 9.4. And now we continue to question 1b. A researcher measured the height of 40 plants after 2 years of growth, and the result is recorded in the following table. First, find the mean and the median's height, and second, find the standard deviation. And so, Zahir, for question B, how can we determine the mean and median heights for the data given?
Okay, let me show you how can we find it. Okay, can you see the slide?
Okay,
Okay, for the question B2, question B. Okay, first of all, we reconstruct the table and add the midpoint, fs value, and fs square value. So for the question number one, find the median and find the mean and median height. So we can find the mean by using the formula mean equal to summation fx over n. So we substitute the data and we got the mean is equal to 53 centimeter. Okay, for mean using formula 1 over 2 times 40, so we got 20, and 20 is between 50 to 60, so we got the median class is 50 to 60. So to find the median, we using formula L plus n over 2 minus f over fm times c. So we substitute the data and we got the median is equal to 54. Okay, next for question number 2, B2, we are required to find the standard deviation. So by using the variance formula, that is summation fx square minus 1 over n open bracket summation fx close bracket power of 2 over n minus 1. So we substitute the data and we got the variance is equal to 206.15. So to find the standard deviation, we square root the variance and we got the standard deviation that is 14.336. So to find the SK is equal to 3 mean minus median over standard deviation. We substitute the data again, so we got the SK is equal to negative 0.2089. So since the SK is lower than 0, then the data distribution is negatively skewed, and the shape of distribution of plant head is negatively skewed. So the appropriate measure to represent this data set is median. Okay, I think that's all for question B2 and B1 and B2.
okay, Zahir, thank you for the explanation for question B. And
Yeah,
then
B.
I think that is all from us about how to solving the question number one in assignment.
Yeah, that's all for us.
So thank you.
Yeah, thank you.